Cold rock down out of the game. The rock next to him will burn in the mud. It would have dropped. Judy. Judy. I'm Judy. I'm searching for a marble. I haven't come up with anything. So picking